everyone, welcome to our course. My name is Lan Weimin, your professional Chinese teacher. Today our course is about beverage. We're going to learn new characters and new expressions related to it, and it will be very useful if you're living or you're going to travel in China. Anyway, if you're interested in our course, please subscribe our channel, go through our website, and if you have any suggestion, just comment below. I really want to hear from you. Anyway, let's start our course today. First of all, two new characters, 饮料, which means beverage. 饮, third tone. 饮, read after me. 饮料, 饮料, 饮料. And then water, 水, third one, which is very useful. 水, 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 水. And then mineral water, 矿泉水, 矿泉水. 矿 which means mine, and 泉 which means spring, 水 water. 矿泉水, 矿泉水. And then tea, 茶, 茶, third tone, 茶, 茶. And then tea with milk, 奶茶, milk tea. 奶茶, 奶, third tone, 茶, second tone, 奶茶. And what about bubble tea, which is very popular right now? 珍珠奶茶, you just add the 珍珠 before it. 珍珠 both flattened, which means pearl. 珍珠, because the bubble look like black pearl. 珍珠奶茶, 珍珠奶茶. And then we have cola, 可乐, which is directly translated from the sound of the English. 可, third tone, 可, 乐, fourth tone, 乐, 可乐, 可乐, 可乐. 可 in Chinese, which means can, and 乐 which means happy. 可乐, so sometimes people will call it happy water. 快乐水, which is very funny. And then Sprite, 雪碧, 雪碧, 雪 third tone, 雪, 雪碧 fourth tone, 雪碧, 雪碧. And then soy milk, 豆奶, 豆 fourth tone, which means beans here. 豆奶 third tone, 豆奶, 豆奶, 豆奶. Juice, 果汁, 果汁, 果汁. 果 which means fruit, and 汁 which means juice. And you can see the three drops, which indicates this character is related to water. And then soft drink, 汽水, 汽水, 汽 fourth tone, 水 third tone, 汽水, 汽水. Milk, 牛奶, 牛奶, 牛 second tone, 奶 third tone, 牛奶, 牛 which means cow, and 奶 which means milk. 牛奶, 牛奶, and 奶牛. You just change the order of it, which means cow, 奶牛. And cafe, 咖啡, 咖啡. And cafe, 咖啡, both flattened, which is directly translated from the pronunciation of English. 咖啡, 咖啡, flattened, 咖啡. And then soda water, 苏打水, 苏 flattened, 打 third tone, 苏打水, 苏打水. Again, you cannot pronounce this into third tone because we have two third tone here. You should pronounce the first one to second tone. 苏打水, 苏打水, but not 苏打水. It's 苏打水. And then ice black tea, 冰红茶, 冰 ice, 红 In Chinese, it means red, we have learned before. and 红茶 black tea. 红茶 红茶. In Chinese, we call it red tea. And orange juice, 橙汁. We have learned 汁 which means juice, orange. 橙 second tone. 橙汁 zhi flat tone. 橙汁橙汁橙汁. And then we have Chinese sorghum liquor. 白酒白酒白酒白 second tone, 酒 third tone. 白酒白酒. We have learned before 白 which means white. 酒 liquor. 白酒. And then beer. 啤酒啤酒啤 second tone. 啤酒啤酒. Red wine. 红葡萄酒红 red second tone. 葡萄 which means grape. 酒 third tone. 红葡萄酒红葡萄酒. White wine. 白葡萄酒白葡萄酒白 white 白葡萄酒葡萄白葡萄酒. Then we have vodka. 伏特加伏 second tone, 特 first tone, 加 flat tone. 伏特加伏特加伏特加. Champagne. 香槟香槟香槟 both flat tone. Cocktail. 鸡尾酒鸡尾酒鸡尾酒. And remember, you should pronounce this into second tone. And then we have brandy. 白兰地白 second tone, 蓝 second tone, 地 first tone. 白兰地. Both of those words are translated by the sounds. 白兰地 brandy. It sounds like 白兰地. Then whiskey. 威士忌. I think in China you can just directly use the English of it. It's not that impossible. It's not that important to remember the Chinese of it, and it's kind of hard because there's so many different characters. Like this three, we haven't learned any of it before. We have learned bai before, di before, and here this one is very important. 洋酒, which means foreign liquor, but you cannot use this one when you're in Western country because yang are used to indicate foreign country only in China. This character means ocean, yang, and we use this to refer to those countries that is far and across the ocean, especially Western countries. So foreign liquor here is like Western liquor. So you cannot use this to describe Chinese liquor, like Chinese 洋酒. It's not suitable. You can only use this to describe Western liquor and in China. 洋酒洋酒洋酒. Like in Asian time, we describe Western people 洋人. And here 洋酒. We have a lot of this kind of expression with 洋, which indicate Western stuff. And so this is a course today. We have learned a lot of new characters and new expression. I hope you can do some review. And don't forget to check the homework. Thank you very much for watching our video. Really appreciate it. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoy watching it. And if you haven't already subscribed, just click the subscription and the little bell icon so that you can get notification for the next video we posted. If you have any suggestion, just comment below. I really want to hear from you. And so see you in the next video. Bye!